My name is Daniel Rudman, and I head up the CX practice at Gruve, and we are a technology services and solutions company focused on AI. Today I want to talk to you about a custom connector that we built between Glean and Salesforce focused on our particular use case. This one specifically is called Presales Engineers Deal Summary. So the problem this is trying to solve is to help folks like pre-sales engineers gain visibility into the CRM deal pipeline without needing an oftentimes very expensive full Salesforce seat. They simply need to look and see the deals that are coming up in the next quarter or two that they are involved with without having to perform all of the updates and use all of the functionality available in Salesforce. So assigning an expensive Salesforce seat to a rather large team could be very expensive and wasteful. That is the problem this is trying to solve. And the way we're going to solve it is to create a custom connector between Glean. So the pre-sales engineers will come into Glean. They'll use natural language to prompt and search for the deals that are involved with. They'll gain visibility and see details about those deals. And it's using a single integration user. Security is a big concern here. Scalability is a concern. The being able to fulfill all the roles that they're required to is also important. So let's jump into Glean itself and look at what was created so far. This is a custom Glean app called My Presales Salesforce Opportunities. As we look here under advanced setting, we can see that it's using custom actions. This is a custom action I've created. Get My Presales Salesforce Opportunities. What this is doing is calling a REST API using an integration user that we authenticated using OAuth. And in Salesforce, there's a custom Apex REST service which performs a query. What it's doing is in effect looking for opportunities where I am an opportunity team member. So a user with my email address is an opportunity team member, and that's how we determine that I am part of that deal. And we also have connected to a Salesforce org, and we have created some prompts, and we provide some instructions, guidance for the agent on how it should respond and behave. So if we see this in action, simply we can ask, show me all of the opportunities where I am pre-sale. Clean this up a little bit just in case, and we'll send that. Now it should be going and retrieving all the opportunities and telling me there's one opportunity I'm involved with, and pretty large amount, so this is an important one. Now, this is very basic. There are not a lot of guardrails. There's not a lot of detailed instructions to the agent as how to behave. Again, security and access is a big concern. If it's using an integration user, we need to ensure that the user is not able to maliciously or accidentally gain access to data that they shouldn't have. That is where Glean can help. We have deep experience in AI and security and guardrails, so we can help extend this connector for your organization and make sure that it works. Thank you.